Video and I accidentally pressed the power button and turned everything off I was saying. I don't know if the phone saved it or not, but I'm gonna quickly try to do this again by simply going around 360 degrees. As I'm going around 360 degrees, I want you to see all this daylight. It's daylight. Daylight. You see the sky sort of open up a little bit right there. Some blue sky, the firmament of the heavens. And then everywhere else is blue. I'm sorry, it's light. There's light on me. The sun is there. Right? It comes, it approaches in the morning here in the east. And it travels. Right? The circular horizon, the circumference of the firmament of the heavens. And it's there. And it looks like it's setting. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So that orangey sun that you see there, what's our source of daylight? Because if a light is behind you, what happens? Where's the backlight? You know what I'm talking about, backlight? When you set your camera for backlight? What's lighting me up? Yahuwah said, let there be light, and there was light, and he saw the light and saw that it was good, and he called the light day. Then you got your sunlight, right? You got your moonlight, and you got your starlight to give light onto the earth. All this other light, you saying that the sun is doing it? You're a sun worshiper if you believe that. You falling for the okie doke if you believe that. Right? The sun is not causing all this light. Look at me. I'm lit up. I'm not in darkness. I dropped my glove. It fell. No gravity. No gravity about that. Right? So, what's causing all this light on me? So I tilt my camera. You can see everything. Light. 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 Nothing blocks out the firmament of the heavens above the earth. Except clouds. I haven't seen the sun in days because the clouds have been like this. And now it's sort of opened up. So I can see the sun. So I can take time plus opportunity gives me no greater pleasure than to show you that there's the sun right there. And there's plenty of daylight. And if you wonder why the moon is out during the day, it's because the earth, the creation is like it's the most advanced clock you'll ever come to know. You know, it's like the minute hand and the second hand moves faster than the hour hand. So there's your moon. There's your reason for why you see the moon during the day. But the sun always stays with the day. Yeah, mysteries to the kingdom of heaven, right? Those are the mysteries. You know, if you use your sound mind, your conscience, instead of falling for con science. Yeah, they're spelt the same, aren't they? Conscience and science. And yet you're letting your conscience deceive you. There's that orangey, there's the orangey sun right there. There's no oranginess on me. There's the birds. Ah, yeah. Yeah. I'm turning 360 degrees and there's light on me. Light that sun is not producing. I'm gonna walk over here, in fact. I'm gonna walk over here. You see me walking on the earth? I'm walking on the earth. I'm walking on the earth, and look where I'm at now. I just hid myself from the sun. I just hid myself from the sun. Why am I lit up? Where's the sun at? Shouldn't I be blocked from light? Nothing blocks out the sun, the moon, and the stars except clouds. But you can't block out the day, the light. You can't block it out. It's the light of the world. No. You cannot. I'm gonna go over here. See the corner? See the corner? You can sort of see the sun right there on the house right there. You see it? Watch this. I'm gonna go right here. There would have to be a light on me, right? There would have to be a light on me. What's all that light over there? What's all that light over there? What's all this light over there? The sun is not 92 million miles away. Huh? That's what made me start my search for the truth. Even though I was getting the same, MC Ultra that everyone else was getting. I said, no, that didn't settle well with me. That the way the clouds block out the sun. Okay? There's the sun in my glasses, right? Yeah. It's going there. It's traveling further and further away because of the vastness of the circular horizon of the earth. Right? And the circumference of the firmament of the heavens above the earth. Right, where the sun and the moon and the stars, they're for days, they're for months, they're for years, they're for seasons. Right, to tell time. Yeah, and to distinguish day from night. They're not the day and the night, they just distinguish. Does that make sense to you, intellects? That this is how you can do your research according to Psalms. Is it Psalms 91, verse 1? All you need to do is look at his handiwork. So time plus opportunity gives me no greater pleasure right now than to put on this experiment right here that doesn't cost nothing. This is free. Like a sundial, it's free. Right? You don't need no astronomer. You don't need no scientist to tell you these things, because the word says don't follow after those stargazers. They can't save you no more than they can save themselves. You see the sun? You see it right now? And there are birds flying around me everywhere. Ha ha. Yeah, because there's no worry. There's no fears. Look at there. How's the sun right there? This little itty bitty sun right there. I'm trying to get it right there. There's the sun right there. So explain to me how the sun is lighting up all of this. Can you explain that to me? How's the sun lighting up every bit of this? In all this direction here. 360 degrees of daylight. Where Heavenly Father said, let there be light. And there was light. And he saw the light, that it was good. And you want to tell me it's 92 million miles away when nothing blocks it out except clouds? So imagine if the clouds weren't there and it was a clear blue sky. If it was a clear blue sky and the sun disappeared, then yeah, there would be space, wouldn't it? It would be something in space that would block it out, right? But that has never happened in my lifetime. Never. I can sort of see the sun right now, sort of glistening off things right now, right? Look at it, sort of in the road and everything. Wow, the clouds are starting to dissipate. Surely as I'm standing here, and you're starting to see the firmament of the heavens above the earth, the blue. You see it now happening? Wow. Wow. Yeah. All right here. Real time. Real time. Real time. Real talk. Real talk. According to his word. According to his word. It is written. It is written. I just blocked the sun out. Yeah? You know about backlight? Explain to me how we upside down. Explain to me how we ever upside down when the Guinness Book of World Records is the longest that a person can be upside down is 13 minutes and something. So how are you going to spend 8 hours, 24 hours of your life upside down, right? How's that gonna happen? There's the light that governs the day. It's not the day, no more than the moon is the night. For those of you who question the truth, you despise the truth. You despise it. There's no shadow on me. Birds. Anyway, there's no shadow on me. There's light on my glasses from the sky right there. There's no shadow on me. There's no shadow on me. The light takes care of that. The light takes care of that. Before all that, before the clouds start to sort of dissipate, right? Right? Give me a second. There it is. Huh? You believe you live on a ball? Huh? This is what I'm saying right now. The fourth day, Yahuwah said, let there be two great lights. The greater light to govern the day, and the lesser light to govern the night. And he made the stars also and set them in the firmament of the heavens above the earth. But what did he do to it? Yeah, he added it to the daylight, the sun. He added the moon to the night. And added the stars to the night. You did. The stars are out during the day too. You just don't see them because of the brightness of the day. But they're in the circumference. They're in the circumference of the firmament of the heavens above the earth to give light onto the earth. I ain't trying to tear my stuff up. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, look at there. Look at them clouds. See how they what it's doing there? The cloud, the sun ain't doing it to all this over here. The clouds ain't doing it to all this over here and over here. 360 degrees. The circumference of the firmament of the heavens above the earth. Right? Vastness. Vastness. That's what led me to my search of the truth. It's why is daytime so vast and the sun just seems to be like a pinch of salt compared to the daytime. Explain that to me. You intellects. Because most intellects don't believe in the Most High and His Word. And now it ain't got to the point that the religious groups don't believe it either. Right? They honor Yahuwah with their mouths, with their lips, but their hearts are far from Him, keeping the commandments of man, science, instead of the word of Yahuwah. Yeah, right here. They believe they live on a ball. They believe they're in the universe. They're in space. They're calling Earth planet Earth. There's no such thing as planets. There's no such thing as the universe. There's no such thing as galaxy. There's no such thing as space. According to His Word, heaven is above the earth. That's the heavens you're looking at. The heavens right there. Nothing blocks it out except sun, moon, and stars. Yeah, I keep repeating myself because that's what that Mind See Ultra does to you. They pump it in you. Space program. They do it with television, media, you name it. Even your teachers. You send your kids to school, and the teachers don't know no better, and the teachers teach science and the globe and everything to your children when you send them off to school instead of schooling them and bringing them up in the Word in the way they ought to go, in the way they ought to live, in the way they ought to keep the truth alive. Right? But right now, Satan is deceiving the entire world. And if possible, the very elect, those who speak the truth. And you're despising the truth because the norm is lies now. And people believe lies over the truth instead of believing in the truth. There's the sun. It's going further and further away. It's going further and further away. But why do I have all this daylight on me? I want you to share this experiment with me right now. If it's behind me, and you know how backlight works, if I have a bright light behind me, then I should be like dark. But I'm not. I'm engulfed in light right now. I'm engulfed in light right now. Cold hands and everything. You see? Now there's the sun sort of, you know, making itself known as well. Right? Distinguishing that it's the sun. But the light is distinguishing itself. The light is distinguishing itself. The light is distinguishing itself, isn't it? Because it ain't nowhere around me right now, is it? Where's all this light on me coming from? Trying to hide from the sun right now. Sun worship. Peek on out here and see. Oh, there it is. Open up your minds, folks. Don't let them take your mind. Oh, no. Yeah. Flat Earth man. Flat Earth man, you better listen to that. I'm Genesis man. Yeah, I'm an artist. And he's an artist, too. He's a musical artist. Wow, this is beautiful. See there? See the sun right there? Don't let them take your mind. Oh, no. You see? You see what the sun does and what the light of the world does? Satan is taking that away from, he's taking away the living waters. He's taking away the light of the world. He's taking away the firmament, the heaven. He's taking all that away from you and leading you into darkness, dark space. You see? And when he does that, then he takes away the creator of heaven and earth. You get it? You get it? He's doing all that to your mind. Oh no, don't let that happen. That's why I'm speaking on behalf of the kingdom of heaven. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, the clouds are going away right now. I haven't seen this in days. I've been out here every day on the streets, humping these streets, right? Right? And I haven't seen the blue sky in days. And mostly in these winter months. Right? But look at there. Yeah. Just as I've been recording, all them clouds just went away, right? Ha! Ha! I'm done with this video. I'm going in the house. But I'm yeah. Speaking the truth. Speaking the truth. Light. Ain't no sun on me right now. There's a lot of animal tracks around here. Big ones too. Dang, where's that? What type of animal is that? Tracking around my property. That's where he come from. I don't see him by the trash cans or nothing. I don't know what's up with that. All you religious groups who don't preach the truth, y'all need just, I don't know what to tell you, man, because you're carrying the Bible around, right? And you got people thinking that you honor the Most High. And even the Sabbath, you wear that like a badge of honor. Like, we keep the Sabbath, and y'all need to keep the Sabbath. Why? Because it's a commandment. That's what people, they like, I don't like that commandment stuff. Give me a reason why I need to keep his commandment. Right? They need to believe in him. Right? So let's believe in creation. Into what he said he did. Because what he said he did. And science can't stand up to the word. There's the firmament of the heavens above the earth. There's the sun. It's a little itty bitty thing, right? Compared to the vastness of the earth. So therefore, Satan, the counterfeiter, he reverses everything, right? He reverses everything, right? And he says that the sun is 92 million miles away, and the sun is 1.3 million times larger than the earth, right? So let's reverse that. And let's say that the earth, no, I'm sorry, what did I just say? Yeah, and the deceiver says that the sun is 1.3 million times larger than the earth. Yeah, now it rings that I said that. So why can't the earth be 1.3 million times larger than the sun? Because that's what it appears to me, right? If not larger than that even. You understand the reasoning of thinking, of believing that it takes 1.3 Earths to make the equivalent of the sun? Can you really live with that, with your conscience? With your conscience thinking? Because a wise man, a man of faith, his eyes are in his head. Or in his forehead. Yeah, your third eye. Yeah, your pineal gland. Your spirituality. And you want to tell me you would rather believe a lie than the truth? My phone is about to die. I can see it blinking. I got to go. I don't want to lose this video.